Hi, welcome to Lie Detection Mastery, a course that will completely change the way you see people, conversations, and truth itself. Think about it. How many times have you wondered if someone was lying to you? Maybe in a relationship, a business deal, an interview, or even a casual conversation. The truth is, we are surrounded by deception every day. Not always malicious, but often subtle, hidden, and difficult to detect. And most people, they miss it completely. But here's the good news: lie detection is not a superpower, it's a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned, trained, and mastered. In this course, you're not going to rely on myths like liars avoid eye contact, because that's simply not reliable. Instead, you will learn how to read people the way professionals do. You will understand the psychology behind why people lie, what happens inside the brain when someone is being deceptive, and most importantly, how that internal conflict leaks out through behavior, language, and subtle signals. We'll break this down step by step. You will learn how to observe body language without jumping to conclusions, how to identify patterns instead of isolated signs, and how to combine verbal and non-verbal cues to form accurate judgments. You'll also explore micro expressions, those tiny involuntary facial reactions that can reveal what someone is trying or what someone is truly feeling, even when they are trying to hide it. But this course isn't just about spotting lies, it's about understanding people because sometimes honest people look nervous and sometimes confident people lie effortlessly. That's why we focus on context, behavior baselines, and critical thinking. So you don't just guess, you analyze. By the end of this journey, you will notice things you never saw before. Conversations will feel different. You will pick up inconsistencies, emotional leaks, and hidden intentions, not because you are suspicious, but because you are aware. And most importantly, you'll gain a powerful advantage, the ability to make better decisions, protect yourself from manipulation, and communicate with clarity and confidence. So, if you are ready to see beyond words, understand human behavior on a deeper level, and develop a skill that very few people truly master, you are in the right place. So, let's begin.